Alright, so I'm gonna start cutting this 2015 Camaro dash. Here's the old dash. So what I did was I just held this up and try to align it. It looks like it's falling like right on that crease, if you see that crease. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit bigger. Hopefully it'll fit in. I know I already put the whole dash in, so it fit in. I'll show you a picture of it. The only thing I'm worried about is the corners over there. It's got like a sharper swoop than that line has. But that line seems to be almost perfect. So let me get to it. Alright, so I just cut that piece off. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of glary. So that's just the edge of that vent, the defrost vent. Let's see if it fits in. Alright, so of course fucked up. Be careful when you're manipulating this shit. There's a little piece hanging on right here and I tried to rip it off and I broke it. Yep, so probably gonna have to paint the dash now. No big deal, or wrap it or get another one, which would suck. So I'll keep you updated. I would fit it back in and check, but I JB welded it back together, so we'll see. I want to let it dry fully before I start messing around. Pull it out. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Don't be impatient. It's not that big of a deal because I could get the top wrapped. Doesn't, you know, or I could wrap the top. It's not like it's rocket science, and it's not very intricate to wrap anyway. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But you could totally see that. But I have like some other scratches on it and stuff, so I think it'll be better, and it'll be way easier to hide that cut if I lay a little piece of foam over the top and then wrap it with like leather or something. Way easier. So, and it'll look better. That's probably what I'm gonna do. So, I'll keep you up to date.